Hey everyone, it's Terry Petsis here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and I'm here at our newest home for sale, 22 Breezewood Court here in Brooklin, Ontario. Come inside and we'll check out the tour. As we walk into the home, you immediately see the living room with a bay window, and we also have a really cool, unique wainscoting feature wall. As we make our way towards the back of the house, you'll see the kitchen with a really nice island over here, stainless steel appliances, an eat-in area where you could put your dining table, family room off to my left, and a walkout to that beautifully landscaped backyard. Go check it out, and I'll see you upstairs. The primary bedroom also has its own 4-piece bathroom with a walk-in closet. We also have a full laundry room up here on the second floor with another full bathroom. Now go check those out and I'll see you downstairs. And finally, we're in the basement, fully finished with a 2-piece bathroom and tons of space for you to create it the way you want. I hope you enjoy the tour of our newest home for sale at 22 Breezewood Court here in Brooklyn. Again, my name's Terry Petsis and I'm a realtor with the Dan Plowman team. If you want to book a private tour of this home, call the number above and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date with our newest homes for sale.